think, okay, let's get this other dude's feet going on here. And these kind of need to be the same size because you are gonna see the whole foot on him. So again, with the little sausages or the little teardrop. And whenever I do a cake like this, I did puppies or anything like this, I always do something kind of silly. Like this guy, he's upside down, you know. He's in the water, so you're going to put him in there. But like I did little puppy feet. I had the little puppy, not puppy feet, but a puppy cake. I had the little puppy in the ground. With, all you could see was his tail and his hind end. But, you know, just do something fun and whimsical. It adds so much, and people are just so excited to be able to discover all the little fun things that you put on there. Okay, so then again, put the little bit of, might be too much. It does not take much at all. Okay, now this, you got to remember to have his feet go in the right direction, okay? So we're just going to take his little feet and we're just going to put them on right like this. And you can kind of tip them up if you want, because he is diving, as it were. And so if it doesn't look like they're going to stay, you can always put a piece of paper towel or something there just to kind of prop them up until it dries, but it doesn't take long to dry. So there's our little dude in the water. One more thing for him, for this guy, and then we'll be done. We need to give him a beak. Well, a couple more things with him. He needs a beak, and he needs some other stuff. So the beak's not very big, it's kind of small, depending on the kind of penguin you're making, obviously. Again, we're going to do the teardrop. And we're going to just kind of make a little cone shape. Okay, and then we're going to take it and give it a little bit of there. And then we're going to just stick it on there, just like that. Okay. Kind of looks like a puffin, doesn't he? Okay, and then I'm going to take my extra uber little small scissors here. These are kind of cool. They're really sharp, but I think I got these for gelatin work or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to take these and I'm just going to stick it right in here. Hopefully I can do it without. Here, let me turn them to the side so you can see. Is that better? And you're just going to kind of go in there and snip and open it up. Did that work? I hope. Did I go in far enough? I think I might have missed part of the thing there, but oh well. Yep, there we go. And just open him up. So he's got a beak. He's flapping his gums. And then it's okay if the beak kind of goes a little bit over the eyes. They're all kind of, the white just kind of meshes together. And then if you're really anal, you can go here and put 2 little dots for his little nose holes. You know, it is what it is. Okay, so there's our little penguin dude. As far as that goes, I'm going to put this under here just so I can kind of raise him up a little bit. Okay, now, one last thing. I know, penguins need winter wear, right? So I'm going to just real quick do a little hat for this guy, little blue hat. Okay, and again, I'm just going to use my number 12 tip. And I'm also going to use, this is kind of a cool, it's a little strip maker thing. I'm not really sure where I got it. I think maybe from Diane Gruenberg. Just to cut strips for quilling. But anything that you could just use your pizza cutter and make little strips. But I'm going to use this to make the little band. So anyhow, so you're going to take your little guy, put a little bit of glue on his head. Okay, now once again, you're going to take your little hat, that's your little circle, and just make it a little bigger. Kind of stretch it out a little bit. And then we're just going to give him a little beanie and just push it down. Okay. And we're going to take our little strips here. And since they're fresh, you don't really need to put glue on there, but kind of getting into the habit of doing that. So, okay, put your little strip around his head here. And when you get to the back, just thin enough, you should be able to just pinch it off. But